my channel Code with Neha. So today I'm back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of MySQL series, I have discussed about query to find nth highest salary in MySQL. You can check the video from the above I button. Today I am going to discuss about select top, limit, fetch first and ROWNUM in SQL. So without any further delay, let's get started. The main difference among top, limit, fetch first and ROWNUM is the specific SQL dialect they belong to, as they all serve the same purpose of restricting the number of rows returned by a query. You can see the different clause, their compatible database systems and syntaxes. Select top used in SQL Server and MS Server. Syntax is select top 10 asterisk from table name. Limit used in MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite and MariaDB. Syntax select asterisk from table name limit 10. Third is fetch first used in Oracle 12c plus DB2 PostgreSQL SQL Server via offset fetch. Syntax select asterisk from table name order by column name fetch first 10 rows only. Fourth is the ROWNUM. ROWNUM used in Oracle older version MariaDB for emulation. Syntax select asterisk from table name where ROWNUM is less than or equals to 10. Now let us execute this clause in different database system using online compiler. Here first using SQL Server database system for select top. Employee table is already created and 3 data set is already inserted. So adding more 5 rows to execute clause. Query to select top 4 rows will be select top 4 asterisk from employee. Run the query to see the result. Next, using PostgreSQL for limit. Also, you can use MySQL. Similarly, inserting additional rows to the table. Query to select 3 rows. Select asterisk from employee limit 3. Run the query to see the result. Next is Oracle Database System for ROWNUM. Query to select 4 rows from the table. Select asterisk from employee where ROWNUM is less than or equals to 4. Run the query to see the result. Next, again using PostgreSQL for FETCH FIRST. Similarly, inserting more data set to the table. Query to fetch 3 rows of the table in ascending order of department. The query will be select asterisk from employee order by department, fetch first 3 rows only. Run the query to see the result. In this way, we can fetch limited data from table under different database system. That's it for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.